Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. This reading is going to be for Libra for the first week of the July, that is from 1st to the 7th of the July. So in this video, we're going to take a look at your past situation, present situation and future situation, and I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice for Libra. Okay, in the past situation we have Knight of Pentacles, there is 5 of Cups, there is 4 of Swords. In the present situation there is King of Pentacles, there is Wheel of Fortune and 7 of Swords. In the future we have 4 of Wands, then Sun, and there is Ace of Swords. Okay, so the challenge for the week is the 6 of Swords. So Libra, this is you. The challenge for the week is you guys are moving somewhere. It might be physically you're moving from one place to the another place. It could be mentally detaching from someone and moving towards happiness. Maybe you guys are living some relationship and moving towards somewhere else where you find you could be happy. Okay, that's a challenge for the week. We're gonna clarify in a moment. So in the recent past, there is Knight of Pentacles, there's the 5 of Cups, there is 4 of Swords. Many of you Libra, you were in relationship with an earth sign. Okay, it could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person was maybe in the recent past something happened between you and this person. Okay, many of you were healing in the recent past. Maybe some of you, there was a major breakup happened, breakdown happened, or major conflict happened between you and someone. Okay, major thing happened, there was something which was painful, which was emotionally very painful for you. Okay, you guys were healing in the recent past. We're going to clarify it. In the present moment we have the King of Pentacles, so Wheel of Fortune, there is the 7 of Swords. There is again this person, but in the present moment this person is offering so much of potential in the present moment. I feel this is the same person who was there in the previous, okay, in the past, recent past. I guess this person is have come again here and offering some potential. You really don't trust this person, Libra, because whatever happened in the recent past, you are not ready to move on to the further. You are being like on and off in this connection. Though this person have come back into your life, it's you who is like confused, who is like not sure whether to trust this person or not. You are not very comfort with this person as you were in the before past. This, whatever this is, there's a major change happening in the present moment. It could be a good change or some opportunity you're getting. Someone is getting a huge opportunity in the present moment. There's a chances of huge changes could take place in the present moment. We're going to clarify. In the future there is the major union. It could be you with someone, a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. This person is going to bring a lot of happiness. Okay, for sure, whatever going to happen in the future, it is going to bring a lot of happiness, because you're going to get clarity about someone, clarity about some situation, clarity about a person. So first we're gonna clarify the challenge of the week, that is 6 of Swords for Libra. Why are you moving away from something? What is that you are disconnecting from? I'm going to clarify the 6 of Swords. Libra. So the 6 of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Cups. There is 8 of Wands. There is 7 of Swords. So many of you are in search of emotional bonding with someone, in search of some emotional connection. You just want some emotional support in the present moment, in the first week of the July. Many of you are getting some news about this person. It could be you in the present moment. This person was being on and off for some in the recent past. This person wasn't sure about how they feel about the relationship. So this is everything going to happen about this person. Maybe many of you are disconnecting from this person in the present moment. Whatever is happening with this person, many of you are disconnecting from the situation which is going on in the present. You're finding something news about someone. It could be related to a water sign also. I'm getting strongly water sign. Many of you could be jumping towards someone else. We're going to clarify what is that all about. Why are you moving? Because someone was cheating in the recent past. It could be you or it could be your partner. In search of some emotional connection, you are moving towards something else. That is the challenge for the week. Okay. In the recent past, there was a person in your life, Knight of Pentacles. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Pentacles for you. There was a person who brought a lot of pain in the recent past, who broke your heart, in the other words. So the Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the 10 of Wands, 3 of Cups, so the High Priestess. Perfect. There was the situation, this person brought you a lot of burden, okay, Libra. This person, whoever it is, brought you a lot of problems, lot of work. This person made you to do so many things, like you were not happy with this person. Many of you, this is your ex, okay. There was a situation in the past, you broke up, not in the recent past, in the long run, you broke with this person long back, and again this person came into your life. I think this is this person being on and off in the present moment. Again this person came in the recent past. You couldn't, again this person was so secretive. This person was hiding something from you in the recent past. They were not sure about this connection. They were like simply jumping here, jumping there, slowly came, slowly went. It's like that. This person made no improvement in the connection. Okay. We're going to clarify the 5 of Cups. Something happened between you and this person in the recent past that brought you a lot of pain. Okay. I'm going to clarify the 5 of Cups for you. The 5 of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Swords. There is the Lovers. There is the 9 of Pentacles. Okay. You was emotionally, the connection was so strong between you and this person. Okay. You had a so strong connection with this person. You cut it. You turned this connection down. You turned this relationship down. I feel like in order to find your happiness, in order to find your own growth, there was something wrong in this connection. You pulled this relationship down, and you started regretting in the recent past. You were going through a lot of healing in the recent past because you were regretting that, did I make something, did I take a wrong decision about this person? You were in confusion in the recent past the moment you made the decision, because this person, this relationship, whoever it is, this person was giving you a lot of burden. There was lot of burden the relationship was giving you in the recent past. That's why you called it off. Okay. In the present moment, I feel like that person is again back. They're offering you something in the present moment. Okay. I'm going to clarify the King of, but I feel like this person is back. They haven't kept the same thinking it was in they had in the past, because they have grown up, they have matured, their thinking style has changed, they have become financially secure, they have stability in their life. Now they're again coming, they're appearing in the present moment. Okay. The King of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. There is the Queen of Swords. There is the Knight of Wands. Okay. This person is again giving you offer in the present moment. They're giving you an offer. Okay. For many of you, I feel you just don't want to accept this person, whoever coming in the present moment, whatever they're offering you. I don't feel the way this Queen is looking opposite, you are not ready to accept this changes. Okay, whatever this person is offering you, you're not ready for it. I feel this person is coming with a lot of energy. This person is like I want this connection, I want this person, is ready to make some big changes in the present moment. They have some big, they're doing a lot of changes in the present moment, because this time they have come back with a lot of energy. There is a big change this person is making in the present moment. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune. This opportunity, whatever this person is presenting you in the present moment, there's a lot of changes it's doing in the present moment. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Three of Wands, the Page of Cups, there is the Five of Wands. This person thinking is something different than what you are thinking. I feel you are thinking different, and this person has something else to offer. Somewhere there is a misunderstanding between you and this person. It is for sure this person is offering you love in the present moment, but still I see there is conflict going on you and this person. I feel someone in this relationship is acting like on and off in the present moment. I feel this is you. We're going to clarify the Seven of Swords for you, okay? Why are you acting like on and off with this person, with this connection? Why are you not sure about this relationship, about this offer this person is trying to make? This person, whoever it is, their thinking is very broad. Their thinking has been changed from how it was in the past, okay? Whoa, okay, fine. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Death, clarified by the Two of Swords, clarified by the Page of Wands. Well, I feel you are looking towards something else. Your thinking about this person have been changed. Your opinion about this person have been changed, many of you, because the last time they gave an impression was maybe you are not ready to accept this person in the present moment. You just want to end this. Many of you just want to end this connection with this person, because for many of you there's a chances there's a new love or someone else in your life, but for many of you this is you're being confused about this person, confused about this relationship. You are looking towards something else. Maybe you want something else from this connection which wasn't happening in the past. That is why you just pulled the relationship down. That could be the reason. You're expecting something else, I'm getting. That's why you are being on and off in the present situation. Though this person is offering you something big, you're not ready to accept it, because I feel your thinking have been changed, or you are expecting something else. There's a huge union is going to happen in the future, okay? There's a huge union. This is something bringing you a lot of happiness in the future. I'm going to clarify the Four of Wands. Who is this all about? I'm going to clarify. The Four of Wands is clarified by the King of Swords, the Tower, the Hermit. Okay, someone is being cold in the present situation. Someone is still, it could be someone is happy in their own, they're building their own empire. It could be you. You're not ready to accept this person in the present moment. I don't feel like you are going to accept them in the future, because you still have that major breakdown which happened in the past. You're being cold in the present moment. You're not ready to accept this person. You're going alone. You're just isolating from this person and being happy. You have found that your own happiness, okay, Libra? So you have found your own happiness, and many of you are not ready to accept this person. Many of you are not gonna accept this person in the future. Okay, what is that which is bringing you a lot of happiness? There is a celebration going on for some of you in the future. I'm gonna clarify the Sun for you. There's a huge happiness going to happen in the future for Libra. Maybe you have gone through healing process, that this person is back, you wanted it. The Sun is clarified by the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Cups, the Eight of Swords. You're just pushing this person, but you're not sure, should I have to recommit or should I have to, though there is a lot of happiness in the future, though there is something you're feeling, you're still not ready to give up with this person. Okay, you're happy that this person came back into your life in the present moment. Maybe you guys will be celebrating it in the future. There is a reason for you to be happy. Okay, you are being happy in the future. Many of you are still pushing this person, okay? You're going to push this person in the future. Maybe you're finding it as happy because maybe you are confused what to do, you don't know. You're just happy that at least this person came back into your life. You got some clarity in the future. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Swords. What is that you found some clarity about this person which brought you a lot of happiness? Okay. The Ace of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Wands, the Four of Cups, the Sun. Oh my God, you are rejecting this person and starting some new life in the future, giving jumping into new life cycle. You're happy that you are alone. You're alone, you're rejecting this person, right? You're become strong and stable enough that you don't want this person. You have decided. For many of you, there could be confusion still in the head. For many of you, there's a chances you have someone else to move on with, because I'm feeling some of you going to get in connection with someone else, but you still might be in confusion about that connection too in the future. But many of you are giving it a brand new start, your life cycle. You are rejecting this person and being happy in the future. That's the challenge is all about. Many of you are looking towards something else, being on and off with this person. You're playing with this person. I'm feeling like that. You're playing this because you heard something about this person. You just wanna be like them, like how they were in the past. You're kind of making this person to do something what the person was doing for you in the past. Okay, we're gonna pull some advice for Libra. Very amazing reading. Okay, by the way, the advice for the week is the prosperity lies ahead. So whatever you have been doing it, there will be some good result for it. Okay, just start something new life. This is the advice. Leave behind the past, start something new life. Okay, your goodness will give you something in future, so don't concentrate on what you have to give them back. Just concentrate on yourself. That is all I have for the Libra people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.